In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate text in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to give your titles a more dynamic look, rotating text is a quick and simple way to do it. This can help your text feel more creative, more dramatic, or just better aligned with the style of your video. The good news is that in DaVinci Resolve, this is very easy to do once you know where to find the controls. To get started, go to your timeline and click on your text so it's selected. Make sure you're choosing the actual text clip you want to adjust, because the rotation settings will only appear for the item that is currently highlighted. Once your text is selected, move up to the top right area of the screen and click on the inspector. This is where DaVinci Resolve gives you access to the settings for the selected clip. After opening the inspector, go to the Video tab. This section contains the controls related to how your text appears on screen. From there, look for the title section. Inside the title settings, you'll find the transform controls. This is the area that lets you change things like position, size, and rotation. Now scroll down until you see the rotation options. You'll notice that there are 3 different rotation controls available: X, Y, and Z. Each one rotates the text in a different direction. Z rotation is the one most people use for a simple flat spin or tilt because it rotates the text in the same plane as the screen. X rotation tilts the text forward or backward, while Y rotation turns it from side to side. These extra options can be useful if you want a more stylized or 3-dimensional look. To adjust any of them, simply click and drag on the rotation value. As you drag, you'll see the text update in real time in the preview window, which makes it easy to fine-tune the angle until it looks right. You can test each rotation control individually or combine them for a more customized effect. And that's it. That's how you rotate text in DaVinci Resolve. If you want the cleanest result, make small adjustments first and check how the text looks in the viewer before making bigger changes. With just a few clicks, you can make your titles look much more polished and visually interesting.